Now, chief ministers of two states, Maharashtra's Uddhav Thackeray and Delhi's Arvind Kejriwal, have now asked the centre to stop flights altogether from countries that are reporting Omicron cases. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal added that the centre had delayed barring international flights the last time round. He is also expected to hold a meeting to review the preparedness to deal with Omicron and a possible third wave. In fact, a tweet said that that meeting was going to be taking place today. His government has already announced RT-PCR tests will be conducted on all passengers arriving from 6 high-risk countries. Sonakshi joining us at this point with the latest on that. Sonakshi, what more are we hearing in terms of Delhi's preparedness and now this demand that flights be stopped altogether from countries reporting Omicron cases?
Well, the Delhi Chief Minister is already stepping up his guard, his government, ensuring, requesting the centre to consider barring international flights into the country over this hurry that is emerging out of the new coronavirus variant called Omicron. In terms of the preparedness that the Delhi government has at this point is that as of today, what we have learned is they have converted LNJP Hospital, one of the largest hospitals in Delhi, which was also a COVID dedicated hospital earlier this year, has also now been dedicated as an Omicron, hospital. In case of such a situation arises, if there are cases of that have emerged in Delhi, in such an emergency case, there is a hospital dedicated for attending to those emergency-like situations. Today, the Delhi Chief Minister, in a short while, will be taking a meeting, a review meeting in terms of the preparedness. Overall, what Delhi can be prepared for. Remember, the Health Minister also time and again has pointed out that Delhi is prepared if there is a situation of a third wave in the city. Remember, earlier this year, Delhi had seen a very bad situation of coronavirus with people running for oxygen and beds, desperately looking for medicines as well. So the Delhi Chief Minister, this is the third time, over a tweet, he has requested the Prime Minister, requesting the centre to consider barring those international flights. Because if you would remember, last year, India was relatively delayed in its decision to stop incoming flights from outside of India. So this time, because there is a emerging trend and a worry over this new variant, Chief Ministers, both Delhi and Maharashtra, with two big international airports that sees a huge amount of international air passengers with a very high frequency of that, giving out that message, asking the centre to ensure that international flights be considered to stop for now. But yes, today we will be learning more about how Delhi is prepared after this meeting that the Chief Minister will review in a short while from now.
Right, Sonakshi, thanks for that. Saurabh Gupta also joining us. The Maharashtra government deciding to make a similar request to the central government. Saurabh, what are we hearing?
Well, Ankita, the Maharashtra government has been extremely cautious when it comes to lifting restrictions. In fact, it has been one of the last states to lift restrictions that it had imposed to tackle COVID. And that has paid off. But the government now also realizes that they want to avoid a lockdown or further restrictions because business needs to recover and there needs to be continuity. And these frequent restrictions and lockdowns or, restrictions of movement, locally at least, will hamper business really badly. So what they're saying is that the government needs to take steps to ensure that we don't have any local spreads, which is why if there are affected countries where there are a large number of people who are, reporting this new variant, and there is the possibility of them transmitting and traveling and bringing this this new variant into Maharashtra, especially given that Mumbai is one of the busiest international airports in the country, perhaps. So in that context, they're saying that given that there are countries that have been identified as countries of concern, specifically for those countries, perhaps the centre should look at restricting travel for a while till we have more clarity on the impact of this new variant. And it is in this context that the government cabinet discussed this, and the Chief Minister is likely to speak to the Prime Minister as well.